Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Yeah. Good luck. You'll like it.
Yes, sir. Can I come in, Debbie?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, solid door. So, info and all first, I do YouTube videos, as you know.
Yeah.
Wow, I think last time I heard your system 2 years ago was when you had just 215s. Wow,
yeah.
okay. It's been a while.
I was in the Edge.
Yes, it's been a while. So what's your name and what's in here? Well, Debbie, I know your name.
Yeah, my name's Debbie. There's the Synergy WFO 15s.
Okay.
You can get those at G2 Dynamics or Synergy.
Very nice. Did you build this? You and your husband?
Yeah.
Nice work.
Yeah,
Sixth order, wow.
All our stuff together, yeah.
Did a really good job. Was that a 10-inch port or a 12?
10.
10. Wow. Do you know your tunings on the 6th order?
No.
You know? Okay. How low do you play, frequency-wise? What's your limit?
I stay between the 20s and like low 30s.
30s. Okay. I like that. That's a heart.
Yeah.
Sorry. Little things.
It was a Valentine's Day present.
Yeah, okay. And what's your lithium and electrical for your alternator?
I have 135 lithium, and I have 2 alternators.
Okay. You know there? It's all good. Brighter. How you doing? Yes, sir. Jacob.
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yep.
What's your name, man?
Marcus, all right. I'm always
Oh, you are? I love cardio. Huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm doing a video on this one in a minute, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Nice to meet you. Thank you for watching. Yes, sir. Hey, how you doing? All right, well, I'm ready here. Sure, man. Awesome. I like it. Okay.
So
You did a good job on the wind. It really messes your hair up, yeah. Yeah. I appreciate it. It sounds really good, really musical. I'm sure you got really good bandwidth on it too, so thank you for showing me, Debbie. Nice to meet you again. Yes, ma'am.